Let's take a quick look at MyLead, our solution to easily and quickly acquire professional contact information on the internet. Nowadays, lead generation is crucial for any business and professional. No matter what you do, at some point you will need to connect to people and maybe even build a network. That connection is getting harder and harder because acquiring someone's contact information has become a tedious process. Both company and employee emails are almost impossible to find, hidden behind multiple clicks, mandatory sign-ups, and sometimes even personal identity verification using government or company IDs, something that most people aren't and should never be comfortable sharing. This has happened because companies need to protect their employees and their inboxes. After all, nobody has time to sift through spams. Unfortunately, this protection makes it hard for business owners, freelancers, artists, or any person really to connect and provide value for others. So what MyLead.io does is provide a solution that allows you to use a company domain name like jpmorganchase.com, for example, in order to find emails that belong to that company, either employee emails or generic ones, like the ones belonging to a service or a department of that company. This will allow you to save time as we replace the long and tedious process of finding a single email by an instant solution that provides you with dozens if not hundreds of verified working emails at a click of a button. You can later use these emails to contact the right people and generate value for you and for them. We do that by using bots that collect open source and public data that is available on the internet. We do not in any circumstance provide you with data that is private, as we protect both your privacy and the privacy of others. So basically our solution allows you to save the market research time that you spent on lead generation so that you could put it into growing your business, doing things that matter to you the most, or just whatever you want to do. It's your time. In addition, manual email search might not be as efficient, not just time-wise but data quality-wise as well. By using the MyLead platform, you guarantee results that are gotten using a thorough and precise search, a search that allows you to have as much verified email data as you can possibly acquire. This can actually be done using 3 different tools provided for different users and different use cases. Beginning with our search engine, where you can type in a domain name and get high quality verified emails at a click of a button. You can save those emails and favorite them to your collection, where you can select, download, filter, or delete them. For more efficient market research, we provide a browser extension that is available for both Chrome and Firefox, allowing the users to find emails while visiting a certain website. So if you're a business owner checking out the website of a potential client, you could click on the MyLead extension and it will show you that client's emails. If you are a more advanced user, either a developer or a company owner wishing to provide lead generation to your clients, we have released the initial version of the MyLead API. It will allow you to integrate the different components of MyLead like the email lookup logic and results into your application. Our API is the basis for the different features that we provide, and we plan on adding more components to it in the future, like a verification interface where emails could be verified and scored by quality, and the recommendation interface where you will not only be using MyLead for email lookup but also for looking up potential clients using a recommendation based on existing ones. Of course, we provide the great documentation with coded examples for ease of use and implementation. And for more hands-on business-oriented users, we have a technical support service where we help integrate the MyLead API into your company's system, your website, or your application. It will not be possible for us to succeed without identifying our competitors, analyzing what they do, and innovating in order to rise above them. Now there are many email finding tools on the market, the 2 most popular being Untitled.io and Snuff.io. What will allow us to overcome them and rise as the leading email lookup and lead generation tool is the way we handle money, time, and effort. We provide something that none of them do, a cheaper service of a higher quality. This has come as a result of our business model that focuses on outsourcing competent workforce for short periods of time, as well as providing a much better and cheaper pricing model with more access and features. In fact, our prices are twice as cheap as our competitors and provide twice as much features. In addition, we keep our team as small as possible and work in an iterative manner where we try to create, test, and release in a fast cycle. This has allowed us to create an MVP and acquire our first paying subscribers in a very, very short time. Therefore, we are already generating revenue. As we build our databases and acquire more emails and data, we will start spending less and less on servers. User base growth will allow us to lower our spendings on user acquisition. Using a calculated and accurate plan that we are already following, we predict that we will become profitable before the end of 2020 and rise as a lead generation leader by the end of 2021. So, who are we? And why should you trust us in the first place? Our CEO Amin Halam has over 10 years of experience working for international companies where he picked up both managerial and engineering skills that he used to design, build, and ship many solutions used today by both small and large companies. He is known for his work on the field of big data, a work that has given him a lot of knowledge which he uses in order to supervise the development of the data-driven MindLead platform. He is also an expert cloud engineer with extensive knowledge about the different cloud solutions in the market, solutions that we use to build MindLead. As for me, I am Mohammed Baqdadra, a recent computer science graduate who was firstly hired by Amin Halam as a freelancer on other data-driven projects, then developed the idea of MindLead and the project alongside him. My involvement in MindLead is on the technical side where I develop and maintain the code base under the guidance of Amin, who has truly empowered me to learn and innovate. I also do machine learning research in order to push MindLead in the near future towards being a more AI-driven solution. Company culture is very important to us, and our work on MindLead has actually been successful because of the relationship that the MindLead team has, where our CEO has a more hands-off approach. Even though he can direct the team, he likes to nurture our sense of responsibility and create a more innovative environment, which I think will allow us to grow and have a strong company in the near future. So, the MindLead platform is not only going to succeed because of the quality of the product or the pricing model, but also because of the culture and the supportive environment that has developed inside the company. MindLead is guaranteed to succeed, as our plan have come to fruition over the last few months, and we have proved to ourselves that we are capable of meticulously following and realizing them. In addition, our success is related to how much people need email addresses, something that has been proven since the appearance of online communication, as email has survived years and years of innovations and has kept on being the main method for online communication and identification. Finally, the expensiveness of data and the inability to easily contact people today will make MindLead not only a tool for email lookup, but a necessity for businesses and professionals all around the world. We hope to hear from you soon, and please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for your time and your attention.